Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Guys, we have been doing the daily market ke lagta hai observations for a few days now, and I'm very happy to note that many of you have informed me, let me know that you have liked the analysis on the daily basis and it is helping you in your trading. Uh, Whatever we do on the daily basis, but still I feel the weekly market ke lagta hai analysis is very close to my heart, and because this analysis gives us an overview about the market, we get to understand how the market is poised currently, and that learning itself is very important. So let's go to charts and see how Nifty and Bank Nifty are performing. Today in the morning, we had discussed about that Nifty might uh, go even further down, and then at that point in time, we discussed about a target of somewhere around 18,100 odd level. Even 18,200 is something that we discussed. Uh, Today we have found a low at around 18,258, 260. So 18,256 is the level where we have found the low. And for Bank Nifty is exhibiting some kind of a strength here. It is not as weaker as Nifty. But still, let us try to understand how these things are poised. Now, in today's group discussion, this is my morning message which was shared, and I had categorically mentioned Nifty range maybe 18,200, which we changed today in the morning, and Bank Nifty range maybe 42,500 to 44,000. So Nifty hourly low of 18,563 is broken. So trend now changed to bearish. Similarly, Bank Nifty hourly low is broken. So 43,853 was the low which was broken, and as a result of which the trend is now bearish. So the target for Nifty, what we are discussing is 18,197, which is not yet completed. And Bank Nifty target may be 43,100. See, mind you, as I suggested, Bank Nifty appears little stronger, but this target of 43,100 is already done. This is already completed. So I have initiated shorts. Uh, Already I have initiated shorts because we have already moved below these hourly lows. So today in the during intraday zone, I have initiated certain shorts and I'm carrying certain shorts for Monday as well. February strangle I'm holding for 8% gains. Chalo, quickly let's move on to next few messages. So what has happened today? Reliance initially gave a very big bullish candle, and we were waiting, hoping. The up move was suggesting that some people are trapped, and from those levels, there should be a bounce or reversal. Then I bought 43,500 put options for January. Immediately, this target of 43,100 is completed. Eventually, then I tried entering again. This was my overnight position 18,100, which I booked from 123 to 178. Again, I re-entered into this trade around similar levels. So you can consider that this is trade which is ongoing. So 123 to 178. It's a healthy 50 odd points. And then again after that, I re-entered into 18,500 January put options and 43,500 January put options. I'm deliberately selecting January options because currently in the month of December, we have only 8 to 10 trading days remaining. So it is better, I feel that if I need to carry certain trades, it will be wise for me to carry this trade on a next monthly contract. So January contracts we are trading, and this was a trade with a 10-point stop loss. So the 10-point stop loss was grabbed quickly, re-entered. Again, stop loss got hit, re-entered with again a 10 points for a stop loss. That stop loss got hit. Again, stop loss gone. Third entry. In third entry, the price worked well. The trend went well. And with the volatility, my trailing stop loss has gone. Then I posted my entire trade long executed orders here. The similar quantity, 125 quantity for Bank Nifty and 250 quantity for Nifty. So 5 lot each for both the indices. I was trading with 10 point stop loss. And whenever I was feeling that this is not going to be worthwhile, I was booking the trade and coming out of that particular trade. Eventually, I got the entry here somewhere last about 2 p.m. and then this entry worked well, right? So that entry worked well, And this re-entry at 224, this was the re-entry at 224, which was the final entry. And I'm carrying those trades now. Now, how these things are panning out right now. So if you look at the positions, I'm holding Bank Nifty 44,000 February call short, one lot only, experimental trade. This is doing good. Shorted at 1400, currently trading at 975. Then Bank Nifty 5 lots, the one which I mentioned, I'm holding on to it. 728 is the average price and 770 is the current price. Then there is Nifty 18,500 put, 23rd Jan. This is also 5 lot position I'm holding. And rest of all the positions are created to hedge through this strangle. These are the positions which are going on right now. Let's go back to the chart. Now, how do we look at this scenario? During one of the trading day, I had spoken about this is going to be a trend further. And I now expect this trade to go up to 18,198 or even further till 18,000. This is how my expectation is. Now, how do we look at this action which is happening right now? Currently, if we see, the range is going to get changed, and from this level of 18,850, this will get changed to 18,500 to 18,200, or I should say 18,000. So range is 18,500 to or 18,000. First 18,000 to 18,500. Okay, this is what the range is going to be. Now, what I'm expecting right now, wherever we are right now, we are at this level of 18,256. From these levels, if at all there is a bounce, just like today's action, I'll just hide all these tools, drawings. If at all we are expecting a bounce from these levels, then in that case, what may happen is that we might get a bounce from here up till 18,400 odd level. And from these levels, again, we should commence the downwardly move. If we get a gap down opening on a Monday, if there is a gap down opening, then it will keep on falling slowly, gradually. We should reach to 18,100, 18,150 mark. And from those levels, we will review the situation. The targets are not very euphoric right now. We can go max 18,100 to 17,900 can be the bearish targets in as per my expectation. Okay, so the targets that we have right now, I'll just remove these older targets, previous targets. I'll quickly remove them so that the chart will look little clutterless. So the target that I'm expecting is 18,197, which is already marked on the chart. Second target I'm expecting is 18,011. So these are my two targets for Nifty. Let's quickly go to Bank Nifty. Now, in case of Bank Nifty is showing some kind of a resilience, some kind of a support here. So as a result, if we can expect a bounce, then in that case, this bounce might go to 43,500. This is the level where I can expect a possible higher low, right? A possible higher low on hourly time, right? So this is what we are expecting here. If at all we reach to here, see, current scenario, the market looks very weak. If this bounce does not sustain, then very quickly we'll drop down to 43,000 or maybe lower than that. So for now, the target or the range, let us calculate the range up to 43,500. Let me do it, 42,500 and 43,500. 42,500 and 43,500. Okay, so this is going to be my range. I'll keep it here so that it will be very easy for us to monitor, observe. As of now, I'm expecting there should be a bounce in Nifty and also in Bank Nifty, but the bounces should be limited to, for Nifty, the bounce should be limited to 18,400, and for Bank Nifty, the bounce should be limited to 18,400 43,400 to 43,500. These are the views we are having. And if we keep on declining, then in that case, now because we have got this range or this fall, if I quickly take you to hourly chart, so from this high, we can expect the target here. I'll just remove this clutter. See, the target comes to 42,789. Right, so this is going to be our target. First target for Bank Nifty and second target can be 42,400. 418 it is. These are the two targets that I'm seeking in Nifty. Bank Nifty, 42,418. Okay, this is about Nifty and Bank Nifty. In current scenario, one more chart which I want to share with you is of Reliance Industry, and I call them as Rithiks. So these Rithiks 8 stocks which are defining in Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. So majorly Nifty components, and all major stocks, like 4 stocks out of these 8 stocks or 5 stocks out of these 8 stocks are below their 50 EMA on a daily time frame. This is not a good sign right now. So if at all there is a bounce in these stocks, the bounce will be limited to this 50 EMA, and again there should be some fall. So this doesn't seem like a normal correction. There is something more to it, and the coming time, in coming weeks, we will learn more about it, how this correction is going to pan out, and then be ready, be prepared. But whatever is going to happen, it's going to give us a definite opportunity to invest at a higher low level, and we are going to look forward to that opportunity. That's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching. I'm signing off. Bye bye.